All right, and in a quick follow-up tutorial here, we're going to look at a way that we can sharpen up our uh, banded layers edges just a little bit, which will come in handy later, and I'll explain the process a little more, but right now we're just going to look at the steps. So we're going to go ahead and make another action for this as well. So this will be make work path and fill. And for this instance, I'm going to be using the paths window as well. FYI. Anyways, so to start here, we're going to select our active pixels in our layer here, and then we're going to cut the layer's visibility and make another layer. So we've just got the selection here on an empty layer that doesn't have any pixels in it yet. Now we're going to make work path, which if you have a selection tool is just like right click there, and then make work path, which a path is a series of angles that will recreate your shape, and you can blow it up to any level of definition and it will recreate the shape based on the angles calculated, and we can go in and like switch up these angles, and it's really technical and cool. But for now we're just going to fill it with a solid pixel color at the size and radius we got selected here. And when it does this algorithm that calculates all these angles based on the selection captured, it changes up the shape just a little bit. It makes it look a little bit more stylish and cool, I think, and super sharp, super sharp. Okay, so this command here is fill path. And then we've still got like this active angle map of our path, and to cut that is just like Control X. If there is an active path, Control X changes to cut path automatically. Okay, so now we've cut it, and I'm going to end the action there, right? Make work app. Yeah. So our original is like that. It kind of like mirrors the edge of the shape to a precise like 10 pixel radius, right? It looks almost like mechanical, but here there is a little bit of variance, which gives it a little bit more life and energy, I think. And we could sharpen any of those edges by dragging the angles a bit, but we'll get into that later. So for now, be always colorless.